Radio check 22.8.
Sounds good, Steve.
Thanks, you too.
South Jersey Regional Airport, Mount Holly, New Jersey. Automated weather observation 1439er Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 19er Celsius. Dew point 06 Celsius. Altimeter 3008. Remarks. Density altitude 400. South Jersey Regional Airport, Mount Holly, New Jersey. Automated weather observation 14.
Southeast traffic 1536 Yankee 5 to the west, inbound on the RNAV 9, circle from 127 Southeast.
Southeast traffic, just now, 274 uniform, left.
And flying W traffic, 074 Bravo, crossing the departure on the runway 19er, flying W.
1536 Yankee, cross-east traffic, 4 mile final, runway 9, circle for 27, looking for the outbound traffic, southeast.
Uniform EGT rise. Got charging. Recycle that. Once. Twos. Temps.
South Jersey traffic, experimental left one, 30 X-ray 0, back.
Fuel.
26, on the active 26,
Vacuum. Vital. Check. Brief complete. Minimal risk factors, I'm light. Anything happens, gear down, chop the throttles. Directional control, mixtures off, fuel off if need be, stay on the ground. Once I rotate and put the gear up, pitch for a blue line, commit to flying, identify the bad engine, verify the bad engine, tether the bad engine, climb straight out, come back around. Once I'm on the climb out, I'm already committed to flying. I'll go through the same procedure, make sure I'm cleaned up and get up. Alright, gum check.
South Jersey traffic, experimental left one, 30 X-ray 2, 426.
And flying W traffic, stock 6 to the south, 245 left down on 19, flying up.
South Jersey traffic, Twin Comanche, back taxi 26, full length runway. Clear. Clear. EG is good. Turn coordinator is good. Green light, good to go.
Cross-keys traffic, use caution, jumpers away in 2 minutes, 5,000 and below. Look out the window, do not overfly cross-keys, skydiving in operation all day.
Door, belts, harnesses, flight controls, we're good. Window. On the mains. Lights. Pumps. Mixture, props. Pump check complete. Time. Temps. South Jersey traffic, Twin Comanche departing runway 26 southeast.
Sierra is about 3 miles.
South Jersey traffic, F1, downwind 26.
Bit of a tailwind. Gauges are coming up. Fuel flow's rolling. Full power.
Traffic size on 3 mile 45, left down 19, front up.
Brakes. Gears coming up. I'm committed to flying.
It looks like wind's blowing right down runway 1.
Left pump. Right.
Alright, I'm gonna put some 1 then. Good Ridgely traffic, A5 Juliet, dropping up. Below Ridgely. Cross East traffic, November 1536 Yankee, turning final 27 full stop.
Beauty, Piper Dakota is 12 to the east, landing with the field in sight, like to go straight into 26.
Sober, count 505 for Gutierrez, left downwind for 22, sober. 519 Julie Sierra, left downwind, runway 0.
Cross East traffic, use caution, jumpers away 5,000 and below, look out the window, parachutes in the air.
2 minutes, so. South Jersey traffic, moving back taxi into departure.
Hi. Pumps are off, lights are off, gears confirmed up, flaps are up, valves are open. Let's check the autopilot. Camera seems to be holding. Heading bug. Check. That's level 3005, autopilot's off. I believe the cow's open, we're probably going to maneuver.
Manuever, 40 microtel, descending direct bombing.
Clear the area, autopilot's
November
off.
240 Mike Hotel, contact New York approach 128, correction, 120.8.
I think 7.2 is going to work.
And 280 for traffic.
Romeo calling McGuire, say again, and ident.
Yep, I think they gave us the wrong freak.
Ah, sorry.
Flyers, there's 166, Mike Delta, level 4000. I think Philly gave us the wrong frequency as well.
I'm not talking to a Mike Delta, and I'm not expecting to, so you might want to go back to your last assignment.
We'll go.
Camera's still there, it's amazing.
Guard Copter 26193, just report established on the arc.
Will report established, aircraft 26193.
Number 752 Victor Alpha, descend and maintain 4,000.
4,000, 2 Victor Alpha.
November 752 Victor Alpha, contact Newark approach 128.55, good day.
2855, 2 Victor Alpha, thank you.
November 603 Echo Foxtrot, restricted area 5001 is active, surface to 4000. Just remain outside of that.
Copy, 3 Echo Fox.
November 67818 McGuire approach, bar altimeter 3008.
Copy. 4,500.
Camera's still there. Stay clear of the Bravo. Got a guy above, I got a guy below.
Guardcopter 26193, traffic southwest 2 miles, same direction, 2000 indicated.
That traffic's in sight. Get no back. Guardcopter 26193.
November 8942 Victor, traffic 1 o'clock and 3 miles, southwest bound 5600 indicated.
McGuire approach 942 Victor, we'll be looking out for that traffic. Request cancellation of flight following in vector to 3 November 6.